Init. Hi guys. Welcome back to my channel. Trade nyo naman ako ng Olivia Rodrigo. Tulog mo na lang yan, te. Te, pag natulog ako, te, hindi na ako makakatulog mamayang gabi. Pag nagising ako mamayang gabi, hindi na ako makakatulog. May workshop ako bukas. Kaya tama mo na yan, te. Pero tama ka, inaantok na ako. My baby, tell your baby that I'm your baby. Shout out Polo. Elaine Christian pala. Hi, Jan Maravilla. Cancel workshop. Ate ko, graduating na ako. Tumigil ka nga dyan. 7. Anak yun ni Sebi, diba? Si 7. Hi, yun mo namin mahal. Tigil mo yan. Yun mo kayo ng yun mo. Pag ako naniwala talaga, kayo ba mananagot ng kalakihan ng ulo ko? Inayamin nyo ako. Wala yung filter ko. Gusto ko nga ng salamin eh. That's weird. I love this. Wala yung salamin ko. Ang ano naman ito, parang may magic sarap sa mukha. Sino iba? Hindi ko kasi kilala yung Cloud 7 eh. Wala yung salamin. Ito na lang. Galit kasi ako na wala yung salamin. But baby, I love you till the day that you die. Ay, till the day that I die. Ba't kayo pinatay? May ano dito. Labu, 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 labubu. Pasample nga maging Steven Camero. Huwag naman. I love you, Jan Maravilla. Tagal mo na. Kilala pa kita, dati ka pa ha. Buhay ka pa pala. Wala mong. I mean, mahal mo pa pala ako. What if mag-online sale ka ng damit? Ay, trip nyo ba? Baka naman, di kayo bumili. Kasi, totoo kasi, madami akong damit na di ko na ginagamit. Pero, pinapamigay ko lang siya. Pero kung gusto nyo, benta ko siya sa inyo. Or, bigay ko siya sa inyo. Pili kayo sa dalawa. Kaso, may stress ako sa shipping. Kayo na lang bahala sa shipping. Joke lang, ayoko. Anong year ka na? Year 18. Hindi, pinapamigay ko kung saan. Bawa sa nagkiklaim ng basurahan or sa pinsan ko, sa kaibigan ni mami, sa mga kung kani-kanino. Basta, pag dagdag-clutter ako ng damit, isang box yun. Tapos, sabi ko kay mami, siya na bahala magpamigay ng ganun. 2 points kay Kurt din na mamansin. Ikalma mo naman kasi binabasa ko nga yung comment nyo isa-isa eh. Martin Dorado, 2 points din sa'yo. I miss you more, Vincent Batan. Batan. What's your degree program? 38 degrees. Excited na ako sa Mardagulan yun ni Sebi. Ako din! Hilig niya mambatok. Nainis ako sa kanya. Kay Sebi ha. Pag pinatulan ko siya, sasabihin niya, kuya ka. Ako ang kuya dito. Eme. Kilala pa ba ako nito? Hi, Curbs. Boy, tinatawanan ka ni Jenny kanina. Sino si Jenny? Hi, Jenny. Kung nakikinig ka, hello po. Nakakonect. Gusto niyo ba mag-claim ng basura dito? Hi, Gabrielisim. Tingnan niyo mga gagawin ko. Ang dami pa.
We were both in a rush. We talked for a sec. You fanned me up so we could connect. And what are the odds? You sent me a text and
yeah, I know.
Thing I know, I'm like manifest. That's your oversized. I digress. Got me scrolling like out of breath. Got me going like.
Who's the cute boy in the white jacket?
And the thick accent like.
Maybe I sound like.
Hey, but I bet we'd have really good band. How you pick me up?
Ang tagal ko ng ABM, te. Siyempre, graduate na ako. Buhay pa.
I said I wanted thin mints, and you said you knew.
Ano kala nyo, may grade 13?
You showed up with a boombox and
Stars in your eyes. When you're cuddling on trampolines, could be so reckless. We bonded over black-eyed peas and complicated exes. Felt so deeply into it. It was all so innocent. Now I'm a homewrecker, I'm a slut. I got death threats filling up semi-trucks. Tell me who I am, cause I don't have a choice. All because I lied. I'm a hot topic on your tongue.
I'm a rebound, getting round, stealing from the young.
Tell me who I am, cause I don't have a choice. Filter ko to?
Because I
Oo nga, no?
like the boy.
Meron ko pala. KD. I'm not catastrophizing. Everything's derailing. Was only trying to hold you close while your heart was failing. It's not internet illusions.
Just two kids going through it. You said
I'm too late to be your first love, but I'll always be your favorite.
now I'm a homewrecker, I'm a slut.
Hi, Kipra. Hi, Kipra.
Filling up semi trucks. Tell me who I am. I can see a polka dot yellow or green. There's lots of different nuances to you and to me. I wanna grow the apple, keep all the seeds, but I can't help it whatsoever. You don't listen or leave. Be careful,
Hala, si Martin Gambuta. Hi, Kuya Gami. I feel the apples are united and cores or other places of the more I was before. I see the apples are united but not but at the faces of the barriers that was wanna die. Ra 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 ra. Ra 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 ra. Tell me that I want them appear. Na 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 na. Don't you know
I get quiet when there's no one else around? Me and you and awkward silence. Don't you dare look at me that way. I don't need reminders of how you don't feel the same. Oh, the burning pain, listening to you heart pump out some new soulmate. She's
Goatee sitting on a dash, she a rock star. Make your favorite singer wanna rap. Baby la la Lisa, can you teach me Japanese? I said hi, hi, that's my life, baby, I'm a rock star. Be on a mission, might call me, catch a deal.